excited about a new product we've recently invented called the Bug Fork. It's used in the metalworking industry where they're using coolants to cool and lubricate the processes of cutting and turning metal parts and pieces. In that industry, coolants are thrown away every 3-4 months because they start to stink. And they stink because bacteria and bugs are breaking down some of the different chemistries that are in those coolants. They're actually starting to eat the oil in the coolant. The coolant's fine except for that. And in the past, industries and customers would throw away their coolant. And what the Bug Fork allows us to do is uses UV light in a real specialized and patented application where it kills the bacteria through this opaque coolant. This is kind of unique because you can't see through coolant. Coolant's not clear like water, but because of this process technology that we developed, UV light can penetrate it and kill the bacteria. Instead of throwing away their coolant every 3 months, their coolant lasts a year. And as you can imagine, the savings from that is huge. These customers spend a lot of money every year on coolant, and by extending their coolant 4x or 4 times what they normally would, they save a lot of money.